What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Zilliqa, which has not been performing too well. In my last update on this crypto, I did let you guys know do expect a dip to take place, and that is exactly what's going on right now. So what is the next target? Is it going to keep going down in value? Will it pump back up? That's what we're going to be looking into today, because yes, I've seen a lot of DMs saying they've invested into it when it was going up in value, and I did let you guys know it is a risky time to invest into it because it is as highest it's been over the last couple of months, and you know it is likely to dip down in value. So yeah, let's get into it and see what potential Ziliqa has. Will it go down below the 10 cents mark, or will it pick back up in value and hopefully potentially hitting the 20 cents target? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So we are on the Coinbase website, and as you can clearly see, in the last hour itself it managed to drop 3% guys. 3% may not seem like a lot, but when it's within just 1 hour, that is quite of a major drop. Over the last day, 14%. Over the week it is still up 33%. However, we can clearly see it had a huge peak in value up until the 1st of April, and ever since then it's been dropping in value, which has not been too great. And over the month it is still a massive 245% up. So why is it dropping, and what its next target is? Let's have a look. So quickly going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone down by a massive 25% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.7 billion. Yes, it is still a high amount. We can still see a lot of people are still trading it. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. However, it has dropped down quite a bit over the last couple of days, as obviously the crypto itself has been dropping. So most people are just holding on to it at the moment, and we are also seeing people buying the dips. So we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which is what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis to find out what the next target is and which way it will be heading. But before that, we're going to have to do the price prediction. So let's hide this and bring out the MACD indicator to do the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I start that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart at the moment, and we also have the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Ziliqa at 10 cents. However, it's trading at 13 cents. This was another thing I did mention in my videos guys. The SMA indicator was much lower than what Ziliqa was trading at when it was about at 22 cents, and I did let you guys know that that itself means that it is likely to drop down in value because it is overvalued, and when cryptos are overvalued, they go for a price correction period where they're overvalued, so they drop down in value, and that is exactly what's going on right now. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. So zooming in here, we got the blue line and the orange line once again just about going in a negative direction. They're not looking too steep, but they are going in a negative direction, which concludes that do expect more drops in value on Ziliqa over the next couple of hours. Again, nothing major. It's not going to be a huge drop or anything like that. And even in the past couple of days, obviously here we've seen a huge drop, but other than that, it's been a mixture of ups and downs. But we can clearly see the overall outcome has been heading towards a negative direction, and that is exactly what's likely to take place. We are going to see peaks and dips in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So more drops are on the way for Ziliqa, so make sure you keep an eye out, especially if you're looking to buy the dips. So moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, however, we're not looking negative guys. We are looking quite positive. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bullish, going in a positive direction. What does that mean? Do expect minimal increases in value over the coming days. And again, we're not looking for 40%, 50% increase within a day. What we essentially want is a slow and steady increase in value over the next couple of days. So hopefully towards the end of the week, early next week, we should be at a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially going towards the 17 to 18 cents mark and hitting 20 cents about early next week. But as long as it starts moving towards a positive direction, that's all we want at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we do have a mixed signal, and especially that it's the long-term prediction. That's mainly why. Obviously we've got the blue line looking bearish, going towards a negative direction, and the orange line looking a little bit bullish, going in a positive direction. So yes, we do have a mixture of ups and downs, and that is exactly what's likely to take place over the next couple of weeks. So mid-May to late May, we should expect it to fluctuate at the current price range, but potentially around the 15 to 16 cents mark. However, these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Ziliqa. But of course, anything like that, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis to see what will be going on with this crypto. But before I do that, guys, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. And again, this is limited to the first 100 people that join the group chat. After that, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. And just to make it clear, I'm not a short-term investor, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor. And those of you who have been part of the channel or part of the group, you guys would note that I did tell you guys to buy Zilliqa back in December last year when it was worth just about 5 to 6 cents, and right now when it did go all the way up to 21 cents, you would have been on a major profit. But yeah, anyways, let's get straight into the technical analysis. We can clearly see it has dropped below this target level here of 16 cents and heading towards the 13 cents target, which is right here. What I'm expecting is it will drop down to about 12 to 11 cents, somewhere around this target here, and potentially resist and go back up in value to this level here, 16 cents, as I mentioned earlier in the video, towards mid to end of the week. We should expect it to fluctuate, drop down over the next few hours and potentially pick up in value over the coming days and break out at this point and going above the 20 cents mark by mid next week, late next week as well. But again, I will keep you guys updated, but these are my predictions and that's how I see it moving over the next few hours and days as well. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Zilliqa. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. Do you guys think it's going to keep dropping? Is it going to pick back up in value? And if it does, will it hit 30 to 40 cents? What do you guys think? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish, because I've seen a lot of positive as well as negative comments on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you so much for watching, especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much for hitting that subscribe button, and yeah, I appreciate each and every single subscribers out there. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.